Hello friends, today's recipe Bhindi Masala. It is a different kind of Bhindi Masala using curd. You can see the ingredients, whatever I have used. While preparing, I will tell you. Now I have taken 250 gram of bhindi. I am adding small spoon of red chili powder and salt. You can mix it well now. This is a one of different kind of bhindi masala. You can definitely try it. It is a tangy taste. Whoever like tangy taste, they will definitely like it. You can eat with chapati, rice. This combination is very different and tasty. Now I am adding besan. You can add 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoon, however required we have to add. So besan we have to coat it. Maximum I have taken 1 teaspoon because 250 gram bhindi. So you have to cut in this shape only. You don't cut very small. Long also fine, but you can cut, however this shape only is better. So it is more dry. You can sprinkle the water and coat it properly. So it is coated now. Take a pan, add 3 teaspoon oil. We have to keep medium flame and fry it whatever we have prepared the bhindi. So the oil is hot. Now we have to slowly add it. So we have to slowly add and fry it properly. So you can see here we have added. So now start frying slowly. Definitely try it, guys. This is a very tasty and different type of bhindi masala. You will love it. Just mix it properly. You can see this. 5 to 7 minutes properly you have to fry in it. So this is almost ready. So we can keep aside. You can keep medium flame. Starting you can keep high flame. Later you can make it low flame and slowly you can mix it and off the flame and keep aside. Now we have to start main preparation. Take a kadai, add 2 teaspoon oil because for bhindi we have added this 2 spoon. So here only we are adding 2 spoon. Add half teaspoon mustard. Allow it to fry. Half teaspoon jeera. Now chilies 4 to 5. Half cutted, not required finely chopped. So this is a garlic paste whichever I have smashed in stone, so that is only I have taken. Use the smashed garlic. Then add curry leaves, mix it well. Add onion, 2 onion finely chopped. Now fry it all. Now add turmeric, small teaspoon, small spoon, garam masala, half teaspoon, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Now hing, pinch of hing. So now we have to add it all. One small teaspoon, 1.5 small spoon red chili powder. Already we have used green chilies and while coating also we have used red chili. So based on that you can add it. Now tomato puree, 1 tomato puree you can take it. Now you can make flame little bit high and you can mix it because it won't burn now. We have added tomato puree. Now you can reduce the flame. See the color. It is already perfectly cooked. Now I am adding 1 big cup of curd. This is I have taken from the fridge, so it will melt. So it has taken more time to cook. You can use thicker curd, so it will take less time. Better you can use very thick curd. So you can see here it is started melting, so I have to wait some longer time. So you can use fresh and thicker. Instead of fresh, you have to use little bit tangy taste, so that will give very nice taste. So use a little bit old curd, not more old. 1 day old or 2 day old, you can use it. Now this is already cooked. The quantity is reduced. You can see now we can add the okra or bhindi, whatever we have fried and kept aside. So now mix it well. Definitely try it, guys. If you are liking my videos, hit the like button, share and subscribe. So you can see this, our perfectly cooked bhindi masala with the curd is ready. Now add finely chopped coriander. You can eat with chapati, pulka, roti, or even kulcha or rice also. This is a very tasty. Definitely try it, guys. You can see the color, richness, texture. See it. It is looking like a mouth tempting. Definitely try it and message me in the comment box how is the recipe and how you feel. If any other recipe if you want, you can message in the comment box. And thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.